Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the IELTS exam. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure and scoring system. Understanding whether you need the academic or general training module is crucial for your specific goals. Set a clear target score to guide your study efforts effectively. Knowing the test day procedures will also help reduce anxiety and ensure a smooth, confident experience. Next, let's focus on listening and reading. For listening, engage with various English audio, like podcasts or news, to improve comprehension and identify different accents. In reading, practice skimming for main ideas and scanning for specific details to manage your time. Consistently expanding your vocabulary will also significantly boost your performance in both sections. Now, let's tackle writing and speaking. For writing, practice essays and reports under timed conditions, focusing on clear structure and logical arguments. For speaking, engage in regular conversations to build fluency and confidence. Recording yourself can be incredibly helpful to identify areas for improvement, such as pronunciation or grammar, making your practice more effective. Finally, consistent practice is key. Take full-length practice tests regularly to simulate exam conditions and identify areas needing more attention. Review your mistakes thoroughly to understand common errors and avoid repeating them. On test day, manage your time wisely for each section and remember to stay calm and confident. You've prepared well, so trust your abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.